You look like a cute greaser.
Hey!
Hey!
Should I button it or no?
No, make it cool and not button it.
Button?
I mean, sure. Here we are.
Here we are.
We're in the Big Apple.
New York.
New York, New York.
Yeah.
'Cause now we're in New York. Concrete jungle are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Zach has the hankering for...
Got a hankering for,
meatball.
Meatball subs.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're about to go to Times Square because he wants some meatball subs. We were
That's not what we're going to do.
Well, that's not
where
where
we're Times Square to get out of the hotel room, and I've never been there.
Yeah, and so we're gonna go. We're gonna get meatballs, and we'll bring you along. Bye! What do you think?
It's bright.
It's crazy, right?
Look at my sunglasses.
Look at this. Times Square is like, when you're here, it's truly, it's like it's daytime and it's 10:30 p.m. It's so insane. I highly recommend not coming here if you have anxiety. Could you imagine? This place is crazy. I've been here once before, but we only stayed for like 15 minutes in Times Square because I was like, well, what do you even do? We're gonna try to find a meatball place to eat at because this guy wants some meatballs. But this is the new Flower Beauty Light Illusion. That shit. I feel like I look stunning. You're so dedicated. Says the weekly vlogger. We came to New York, and of all the restaurants, we chose Olive Garden. So
Of every restaurant.
of every restaurant that they have here. It's a nod to your American heritage. True. Had to bring the Canadian. Oh my gosh, look at this. New York City subway. Wow, it's just like the movies show it. Where are we going, baby?
Meatballs.
There's always room for balls, that's what I always say.
There's always room for balls.
Dancing through the streets, we wander, falling for the fire.
Michelle, star of the vlog.
The star. And then you try to get Kristi and then she turns away.
Ooh, we live for the night. Ooh, here for the ride. I feel alive under city lights.
Me to take it? Yeah. What should I do?
Take it.
Hands up to the sky. I can see it all. The night will come when I call. The day is never too far away. Time will turn as I say. Ooh, we live for the night. Ooh, here for the ride. I feel alive under city lights. Under city lights.
These are super pigmented, and the formula of all these, amazing. I love so much. Like a purple avatar.
I can tell just by the way you ate Brent. You didn't like agree. You didn't agree or anything.
Okay, you're gonna have to come over someday, and
It's really good.
I want to come over to meet your cat specifically and listen to you talk to them.
please. Please do this.
He is something special.
He is. Zach doesn't even love animals and he loves
How dare you? I only follow animals on Instagram.
You say he because you only is the one.
It's only Maddie.
Okay.
So I don't eat carbs and I haven't been. I've been really good. Sam just brought me to this restaurant called Beauty in Essex and we're about to, I'm about to at
Everyone
least.
feels like I'm a horrible friend.
You're not a horrible friend. You're fantastic. You're the
like,
best.
Oh, this kills me, and I'm like, please.
No,
continue
you're
to
sharing
eat
the
carbs.
great things of life. Grilled cheese spoons.
All right, it's like tomato soup and a little grilled cheese. Oh, Samantha Ravendall. Thank you for blessing my life in these ways. I could eat 500 of those.
I wanted to go too, but I wasn't really gonna eat them.
I'm gonna go enjoy this now. Goodbye. All right, we did it. We owned up. It was worth every last bite. Are you satisfied?
I stand by the fact I would never lead anyone astray, especially when it comes to food.
And she did not lead me astray. Beauty in Essex. You must come here.
It is not soft.
So much better. I had it on the wrong setting.
Kristi.
No, I'm a terrible vlogger. All right, everyone say the exact same thing they just said. This salad is...
It's one of the better things that I've eaten.
It's so... If Zach's eating a salad, you know it's fantastic.
You know it's dang.
The pecans that are in it are like unreal.
People are like, oh, I don't like kale. Oh, I don't like salad. Oh, I don't like this. And like, nobody's ever eaten that and been like,
It's truly
it's
wonderful.
Like, we're very well balanced.
You've got no place to be, and let me take you. We could find some
My bad angle. There she is. That's the woman I know.
light, a falling star. We're in slow motion. When you hold me, nothing seems to move. Roll with the ocean, higher and higher. Watching the waves, sipping on Chardonnay. Hey, hey.
Made it to our seats. I guess we have assigned seating, so I don't know anyone.
I think we should ramble for 30 minutes.
Yeah, I mean,
Sound good?
what the fuck are we here for? I'm sorry, can I say fuck?
Yo, first of all, shout out to everybody in the room. Give yourself some love.
And to our bouncer of the night, Betty Who.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so if looking good is feeling good, these beauty mavens might as well be honorary doctors, you know, like Dr. Mike.
Not only do they, wait, where is it? Not only do they serve us looks, honey, but they show us how to live our best lives, be our best selves. And they give us a role model for what beauty is inside and out.
Here are the finalists for Best in Beauty.
Jake Gordon, Nyma Tang, Patricia Bright, RawBeautyKristi, Simply Nail Logical, Thomas Halbert.
And the Shorty Award goes to. Is that the right category? Yeah.
I can do this.
Nyma Tang.
Holy crap. Okay. I totally wasn't expecting to win, so I didn't really plan anything. But I just want to thank my amazing boyfriend, Anthony. Thank you so much for always being by my side. Thank you to my dad for letting me not have to go to nursing school and go through what I wanted to do. Thank you to my amazing manager. Thank you to all my amazing followers and supporters. You guys are my best friends, and I love you guys so much. And to every dark-skinned girl out there that has felt like they haven't had it in them, this one's for you. You've always had it. You just gotta own it.
Guys, we didn't win tonight, but Nyma did, and she's such a deserving YouTuber and beauty influencer. She's so amazing. She's got amazing videos, and I really feel like she's pioneered a big movement in the community, specifically for beauty and inclusivity, and so I feel like she was the perfect choice for the beauty category winner. So congratulations, Nyma. I am not upset about it at all. I think that you are so amazing and so deserving of this award. And yeah, now to the after party.
So, we are about to see Shorty Awards finalist for beauty. And she is gonna be coming out any minute. And yeah, here she comes. There she is.
Hey.
Finalist.
Finally a loser.
Finally.
Oh, JK.
Graciously.
Gracious loser. I did my gracious loser face.
True.
Joey taught me well.
True.
Musaga Bar Moxie. Access denied.
Denied.
I'm guessing we have to just go to the ground floor.
Total loser.
Okay, hurtful.
Okay. Didn't win Shorty Awards. Didn't win the after party.
Oh, very Joe, very hurtful. You gotta know how hard that is for me, because I was like, I'm gonna be wearing a dress.
I've eaten a lot of carbs.
Okay, he has. I was like, I'm gonna be wearing a dress. I'm not gonna be like bloated. You know how carbs make me so bloated? I was like, I'm not gonna be bloated for the Shorty Awards. I've been so good this weekend. I haven't eaten any carbs. I've been really hating life because, let's be real, New York has so much delicious food that to not eat it because you're limiting your diet is like almost should be illegal. We are at Shake Shack, and now you might think you're in New York with limitless food possibilities and you're at Shake Shack. We love Shake Shack.
It's one of the best burgers I've ever had. Sorry, I can't stop staring at myself because...
Yeah, because damn, baby, it's looking good. We love Shake Shack, and we don't have it in Washington, as far as I know. We're about to go eat the shit out of some burgers. We left the after party early. It was fine, but I don't really know anybody that was there.
And you don't drink.
And I don't drink because of my stupid brain. And also, I like food. If Samantha Ravindell taught me one thing, it is that you can have more fun eating food than you can doing anything else. And Sam, this burger's for you. Hey guys, it is the next morning after the Shorty Awards ended, and I had a good time. It was fun. This New York trip's definitely been different than my last couple. The first time I came to New York, it was like this magical experience. Second time, pretty magical. This time, not so magical. I don't know, there's just something different. I think of the area that we stayed in Soho, and before I was always in Hell's Kitchen, and I must admit I just prefer Hell's Kitchen to this. The Nomo Soho, don't recommend. I thought maybe it would be cool. Samantha recommended it to me because she had stayed here before, and she's like, it's like a cool little hotel. There's like awesome photo ops and stuff. Where I agree, it's kind of a cute hotel. It's also massively overpriced, and I don't really love the area, if I'm being honest. It's kind of far from everything. It's okay. I bet it'd be cool if you like wanted to have that like eclectic feeling, but that's not really the bitch I am. I'm kind of more, I don't know. I really liked staying at the Standard Highline. That place was really, really nice. It was right on the water, and you're like within walking distance to like the Chelsea Market, and like just cool little activities. It just felt like a really neat little area. More New York-y to me. This feels like trendy New York, and I'm not a fan. But anyway, Shorty Awards were good. We stayed at the after party for a bit last night, but we decided to get burgers instead. I don't know how much vlogging I was able to get in, but hopefully I was able to kind of put some footage together, and I'll try to walk you through it if it wasn't. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video, and that it was even mildly interesting to you. And I'm glad I came. I am excited to be going home to see little Pundy and mother. This guy feels sick this morning, so we definitely need to get him home to get him well. No. Well, I am going to head out, and I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!